Hi, today we are going to complete the Cloud Vision API Challenge Lab. So let's start the lab. Activate Cloud Shell. And let's go to task number 1. Okay, so here we have to create an API key and save it to the environment variable called API key. Okay, so let's do that. So here in the navigation menu, you can find API and services. And from there, you can find credentials. Okay, so click that. Over here, you can find the create credentials button. Click that and choose API key. So this will create a new API key for you. So wait for it. All right, you can see the API key, copy that and close the box. Now in the Cloud Shell, create a variable called API key and store the key. Okay, that's it. Next, we have to make sure that we have a bucket which is created, and this bucket has an image inside it. Okay, also make sure the bucket, the object in the bucket is publicly accessible. Okay, so let's go to cloud storage and make sure the image is accessible. So we can see the storage bucket here. Inside this bucket, we can see an image. And over here, you can see an URL, right? Public to the internet. Copy that. And make sure you can access it. Yeah, so that's it. So let's go back and check the progress. Brilliant. So task 1 is done. Let's move to task number 2. Here we have to create a request.json file. So I'm going to use Nano. You can choose whichever editor you like. So Nano and the name of the file, that is request.json. So this will open the editor. I'm going to copy this template from here, paste it here, and save it. Next, we have to update the JSON file. First, we have to specify the location of the image. Then we have to specify the method we are going to use. Okay, so here we are going to use the text detection method of Cloud Vision API. So let's do that. So over here, type text detection. Don't forget to add a comma here. Okay. Next, we have to input the location of the image. Okay. So let's go to cloud storage. Here is our image. Just click that. So you can see the information of this object. And over here, you can find the location, gsutil URI. Okay. So copy that. And paste it here. Okay. Save this file. And that's it. Next, we can call the Vision API with the curl method and make sure we are getting an output. Okay. So here is some code. We can use it, but we have to replace this part with the name of the file. Okay. So copy this and edit this command. So over here, type the name of the file. Okay. And that's it. You can see the output. Okay. Now we want to save this response in a JSON file. So let's do that. So use this flag and the name of the file to which you want to save the response. Okay. That's it. You can type ls. You should see this file here. Now let's inspect this file, text response.json, and that's it. You can see the output here. Great. So finally, we have to upload the output to the cloud storage bucket. Okay. So here is the code. Just copy that and execute it. Okay. Now we can check the progress and we are good. So now we have to update the JSON file, the request.json file, to use the landmark detection method of Cloud Vision API. Okay. So update the request.json file. Instead of text detection, we are going to use the landmark detection. Okay. Now, again, you can use curl method here. So if you are going to use this, make sure you replace this part with the name of the file. Okay. And in our case, the name of the file is request.json. Okay. So let's do that. We are saving the response in a file called landmark.json. So make sure you specify that as well. Okay, type ls. You should see landmark response.json here. Let's inspect the content. And you can see the output, okay? And finally, you have to upload the output to the cloud storage bucket. So here is the code. Just copy that and execute it. Yeah, that's it. Check the progress. And we are done. We have completed all the tasks in this challenge lab. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.